Hello students, welcome to Excellence Classes Way of Learning. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4.5 question number 5 to 12. So let's see the question number 5. Here we have to find the inverse of each of the matrices if it exists. Let's solve the question number 5. Here we have a matrix of order 2. So let A equals 2, 4, minus 2, 3. First, we have to find its determinant. So, determinant of A is equals to determinant of 2, 4, minus 2, 3. It is equals to 2 into 3, that is 6, plus 8 is equals to 14. So, its inverse is exist. And its adjoint is equals to, by using trig we can find it easily. Here elements interchange, so it is 3 and 2. And here sign change. So it is 2 and minus 4. It's the adjoint of A. So A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. That is equals to 1 by 14 into adjoint of A is equals to 3, 2, minus 4, 2. On solving we get it is equals to 3 by 14. Here 2 by 14. Here minus 4 by 14 and here 2 by 14. So A inverse is equals to 3 by 14, 1 by 7, minus 2 by 7 and 1 by 7 is the inverse of this matrix. Let's see the next question, question number 6. Here we have also a matrix of order 2. Let's solve it. Let A equals to the given matrix, that is minus 1, minus 3, 5 and 2. And determinant of A is equals to determinant of minus 1, minus 3, 5, 2. So it is equals to minus 2 plus 15, that is equals to 13. So its inverse is exist. And adjoint of A is equals to, simply by using trig we can find. So here interchange the elements, it's 2, minus 1 and here sign change, so it's minus 5 and here 3. Now easily A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. Put these values, we have 1 by 13 into adjoint of A is equals to 2, 3, minus 5, minus 1. It is equals to 2 by 13, minus 5 by 13, 3 by 13 and minus 1 by 13. So its inverse is equals to 2 by 13, minus 5 by 13, 3 by 13 and minus 1 by 13. Okay, clear? Let's see the next question. Question number 7. Here the given matrix is of order 3. Let A equals to the given matrix, that is 1, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 3, 4, 5. And here determinant of A is equals to determinant of 1, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 3, 4, 5. So here expanding along C1 we get 1 into 10 minus 0. So here determinant of A is equals to 10. Now to find its adjoint, first we have to find its cofactors. So now here A11 is equals to positive M11. So on blocking first row and first column, here we have it is 10. And A12 is equals to negative M12. So here 0. And A13 is equals to positive M13, that is also 0. And A21 is equals to negative M21. So here on blocking second row first column we have minus 10. and here A22 is equals to positive M22, that is equals to 5, and A23 is equals to negative M23, so on blocking second row third column it is 0, and here A31 is equals to 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. A32 is equals to, on blocking third row second column it is minus M32, so it's minus 4, and A33 is equals to, on blocking third row third column it is positive M33, that is equals to 2. So its adjoint is equals to transpose of its cofactor matrix, and cofactor matrix is 10, 0, 0, here minus 10, 5, 0, and here 2, minus 4, 2, and its transpose. So adjoint of A is equals to 10, 0, 0, minus 10, 5, 0, and 2, minus 4, 2. Okay. So A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. On putting these values, we have A inverse is equals to 1 by 10 into adjoint of A, that is 10, minus 10, 2, 0, 5, minus 4, and 0, 0, 2. On solving, we have it is equals to here 1, minus 1, here 1 by 5, 0, 1 by 2, minus 2 by 5, and here 0, 0, 1 by 5 is the required inverse of this matrix. Okay, let's see the next question, question number 8. Let's solve it. Let A equals to the given matrix, that is 1, 3, 5, 0, 3, 2, and here 0, 0, minus 1, and its determinant of A is equals to determinant of 1, 3, 5, 0, 3, 2, 0, 0, minus 1. Here expanding along row 1, we have 1 into minus 3 minus 0, that is equals to minus 3. And for adjoint, first we have to find its cofactor. So here A11 is equals to positive M11, that is minus 3. A12 is negative M12, that is minus. M12 is on blocking first row second column, it's minus 3, so it is equals to 3. And A13 is positive M13, that is equals to 6 minus 15 equals minus 9, and A21 is negative M21, so it is equals to 0, and A22 is positive M22, and here it is minus 1, and A23 is negative M23, that is minus 2, and A31 is positive M31, that is 0. A32 is negative M32, and here it is 0, and A33 is positive M33, on blocking third row third column it is 3. And here its adjoint is equals to transpose of its cofactor matrix, and its cofactor matrix is minus 3, 3, minus 9, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and 0, 0, 3, and its transpose. So adjoint of A is equals to minus 3, 3, minus 9, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and here 0, 0, 3. So here A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A, that is equals to 1 by minus 3 into adjoint A is minus 3, 3, minus 9, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and here 0, 0, 3. On solving, we have A inverse is equals to, on multiplying each element by 1 by minus 3, we have last row is minus 9 by minus 3, minus 2 by minus 3, and here 3 by minus 3. So, A inverse is equals to 1, 0, 0, and row 2 is minus 1, 1 by 3, 0, and row 3 is 3, 2 by 3, and here minus 1 is the required inverse. Okay, clear? Let's see the next question number 9. Here we have a matrix of order 3. Let A equals to the given matrix, that is 2, 4, minus 7, 1, minus 1, 2, and here 3, 0, 1. And determinant of A is equals to determinant of 2, 4, minus 7, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 1. So here expanding along row 1, we have 2 into minus 1 minus 0, minus 1 into 4 minus 0, plus 3 into 8 minus 7. That is equals to minus 2 minus 4 plus 3 is equals to minus 3 is the value of its determinant. Is not equals to 0, so its inverse is exist. Now we have to find its cofactors. Here A11 is equals to positive M11, that is minus 1. A12 is negative M12 on blocking first row second column, it is minus 4. A13 is positive M13 on blocking first row third column, here it is 8 minus 7, that is equals to 1. And A21 is equals to negative M21 on blocking second row first column. Here it is minus 1 minus 6, that is 5. And A22 is positive M22, that is equals to, on blocking second row second column, it's 2 plus 21 is equals to 23. A23 is equals to negative M23, that is negative 4 plus 7 is equals to negative 11. And here A31 is equals to positive M31 on blocking third row first column, it is 3. And here A32 is negative M32 on blocking third row second column, it is 0 minus 12. So here it is equals to 12. And last A33 is equals to positive M33, that is minus 2 minus 4, it is equals to minus 6. Now adjoint of A is equals to, its cofactor matrix is minus 1, minus 4, 1, here 5, 23, minus 11, and here 3, 12, minus 6, and its transpose, that is equals to minus 1, minus 4, 1, and here 5, 23, minus 11, and here 3, 12, minus 6. So, A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A, that is equals to 1 by minus 3 into adjoint A, that is minus 1, minus 4, 1, 5, 23, minus 11, and here 3, 12, minus 6. On solving, we have A inverse is equals to, here 1 by 3, here minus 5 by 3, and here minus 1, here 4 by 3, minus 23 by 3, minus 4, and last row is minus 1 by 3, 11 by 3, and here 2 is the required inverse of this matrix. Okay, clear? Let's see the next question, question number 10. Here also we have a matrix of order 3. So apply the same process. Let A equals 1, 0, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 2, and here 2, minus 3, 4. First we have to find its determinant. So determinant of A is equals to, expanding along C1, here we have 1 into 8 minus 6 minus 0 plus 3 into 3 minus 4. On solving, we have here 2 minus 0 minus 3, that is equals to minus 1, is not equals to 0, so its inverse is exists. Now we have to find its cofactors. So A11 is positive M11, that is 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. Now A12 is minus 0 plus 9 is equals to minus 9. A13 is equals to 0 minus 6, that is minus 6, and A21 is minus 4 plus 4, so it is equals to 0. And A22 is equals to 4 minus 6 is equal minus 2. A23 is equals to minus 2 plus 3, that is equals to minus 1. And A31 is equals to 3 minus 4 equals minus 1. A32 is negative M32, so negative minus 3 minus 0 is equals 3, and A33 is positive M33, and M33 is 2 minus 0, so A33 is 2. So here adjoint of A is equals to transpose of its cofactor matrix, and cofactor matrix is here 2 minus 9 minus 6 0 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 3 2, and its transpose. So adjoint of A is equals to 2 minus 9 minus 6 first column, second is 0 minus 2 minus 1, and third column is minus 1 3 and 2. So here A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. Put these values, we have 1 by minus 1 into adjoint of A, that is 2 minus 9 minus 6 0 minus 2 minus 1, here minus 1 3 2, that is equals to minus 2 0 1, here 9 2 minus 3, and last row is 6 1 minus 2 is the required inverse. Now let's see the next question, question number 11. Here we have also a given matrix of order 3. Let's solve it. Let A equals to 1 0 0 0 cos alpha sin alpha 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha. First we have to find its determinant value. So determinant of A is equals to determinant of 1 0 0 0 cos alpha sin alpha 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha. Now expanding along row 1, we have 1 into minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, that is equals to minus, and in bracket cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. So using this identity, we have its value is minus 1 is not equals to 0, so its inverse is exists. Now we have to find its cofactors. So A11 is equals to, on blocking first row first column, it is minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, that is equals to minus 1, and here A12 is 0. A13 is also 0 on blocking first row and third column, and A21 on blocking second row first column, we have it is also equals to 0. A22 on blocking second row second column, we have it is minus cos alpha, and A23 is negative M23 and M23 is sin alpha. So here it is minus sin alpha. Now A31 on blocking third row first column, it is equals to 0. A32 that is minus M32. So here it is minus sin alpha. And A33 that is positive M33 is equals to cos alpha. So here adjoint of A is equals to transpose of the cofactor matrix, that is minus 1 0 0 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha, and its transpose. So it is equals to, rows are changes into column. So here minus 1 0 0 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha, and third column is 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha. Both are same here. And so A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. On putting these values, we have here 1 by minus 1 into value of adjoint A, that is minus 1 0 0 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha, and C3 is 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha. That is equals to, on multiplying by minus 1, here we have 1 0 0 0 cos alpha sin alpha, and here 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha is the required inverse of this matrix. Now let's see the question number 12. In this question, let A equals 3725 and B equals 6879. Then we have to verify that AB inverse is equals to B inverse A inverse. Okay. Here we have to given that A equals to 3 2 7 5 and B equals 6 7 8 9. So AB equals A into B, that is 3275 into 6 7 8 9. On multiplying, we have here first row by first column 18 plus 49, first row by second column here 24 plus 63, here second row by first column 12 plus 35, and last second row by second column we have 16 plus 45. So here AB is equals to, on solving we have 67, here 87, here 47, and here 61. And we have to find its adjoint. So adjoint of AB is very simple by using trick. Here 61, 67, and here sign change, so minus 87, here minus 47 is the adjoint of AB. Now determinant of AB is equals to determinant of 67, 47, 87 and 61. That is equals to 67 into 61 minus 87 into 47. On solving, 67 into 61, that is, here we have 4087, that is 4087, and 87 into 47, that is 4089. It is 4089. On subtracting, we have determinant of AB is minus 2. So here inverse of AB, that is our LHS part, AB inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. That is equals to 1 by minus 2 into 61 minus 47 minus 87 67. So LHS is equals to AB inverse, that is equals to minus 61 by 2, 87 by 2, 47 by 2 and minus 67 by 2. Let it equation first. Now we have to given that A matrix is equals to 3, 2, 7, 5. So its adjoint is equals to, simply here interchange the elements, so it is 5, 3 and here sign change, so minus 7, here minus 2. Now determinant of A, that is equals to determinant of 3, 2, 7, 5. That is equals to 5 into 3 minus 7 into 2, that is 15 minus 14 is equals to 1. So here A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. That is equals to 1 by 1 into adjoint of A, that is 5 minus 2 minus 7, 3. Is the required inverse of this matrix. Now we have B equals to 6, 8, 7, 9 and its adjoint of B is equals to, simple, here interchange the elements, so it's 9, 6 and here minus 8, minus 7. Okay, and its determinant value is determinant of B is equals to determinant of 6, 8, 7, 9, that is equals to 9 into 6 minus 8 into 7, that is 54 minus 56 is equals to minus 2. So B inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of B into adjoint B, that is equals to 1 by minus 2 into adjoint of B is 9 minus 7 minus 8, 6. On solving we have it is equals to minus 9 by 2, here plus 4 and here 7 by 2, here minus 3. Okay. So now RHS part is equals B inverse into A inverse. B inverse is minus 9 by 2, 4, 7 by 2, minus 3 into A inverse, and A inverse is 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3. On multiplying we have first row by first column, we have minus 45 minus 16 by 2. Here first row by second column we have 63 plus 24 by 2. And now second row by first column we have 35 plus 12 by 2. And second row by second column we have minus 49 minus 18 by 2. On solving we have it is equals to minus 61 by 2, here 87 by 2, here 47 by 2 and here minus 67 by 2. Let it equation second. So clearly from first and second equations we have LHS part is equals to RHS part. So we have AB inverse AB inverse is equals to B inverse A inverse. Hence, verify. Okay, clear? In next class, we'll discuss the rest part of this exercise. Till then, keep practicing.